Hey friends, today on At Home with Eastbrook Homes, we're talking with Danny and Miles, who are building with Eastbrook, and we're going to go step by step through the entire process. As I said, our guests on today's podcast, and we're doing a series with Danny and Miles. My friends, welcome to the Eastbrook Home At Home podcast. How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
I am excellent. Thank you so much for asking. So this is kind of a fun adventure to go on this time of year. So let's start, guys, at the top, and we'll kind of work our way through this. Where did you guys decide to build, and why did you decide on that spot?
Sure. So we are building in Cook's Crossing in Byron Center, Michigan. I think one of the biggest reasons why we chose that community is how close it is to my in-laws, Miles's parents, and just the great school district. As I don't know if maybe we are expecting our first child.
Congratulations.
So,
I did not know. Congrats.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So now you got a lot of things to think about now.
Absolutely. And so, as you go through the process with Eastbrook, there are obviously different homes to choose from. Which one of those did you land on? And as you're having a growing family, what made you choose that plan?
We picked the Violet of the Terrace Home series. I believe there's 3 different ones. We picked the Violet just because the space that we needed, it was all there. And I feel like in a lot of times in homes, there's like sections of wasted space in a lot of areas. And I feel like this home uses space really well. There's enough bedrooms. There's an office for Danny because he works from home. There's like a little fenced in backyard because we have a dog too. So that'll be good for him to kind of run around in. And it's efficient. It's nice. It's open. It's beautiful. So yeah, we're really excited about it.
Very excited.
Danny, you work from home. That's weird. That's such an odd thing these days.
I know. It's unheard of.
All right, guys. So obviously, as I've been talking to my friends at Eastbrook for the last 2 years, the market is bananas, and that's a polite way of saying it. And so what made you guys decide you were going to build as opposed to buy an existing house? And what was that process like?
Sure. I can kind of start. When we first started looking, there were some houses that we were looking at, and we would kind of look at them. We're like, oh no, we can't compromise on that. That's not what we're looking for. The area is not right. Prices were just surging. So just like the biggest thing I think we saw was the price of the house was just way too much for the amount of space that you got. So that's what kind of led us to, let's look into the home building process, see how that looks.
And so what's it been like? Because one of my favorite parts about doing this podcast is when I get to talk to actual homeowners, because, if you've never built, it feels like there's this giant cliff that you're about to leap off of into the unknown. And what will it be like? And how far will I fall? And will I have a house when I hit the ground? So what's it been like for you guys?
It's been really, I don't want to say it's been a little overwhelming just because of all of the choices. But I feel like Eastbrook makes it so easy to make those choices. They have this, what's that thing called? Envision?
Envision, yeah.
They have this thing called Envision where you can like go in and like make all of your selections, like from things you don't even think about, like the handles on your cabinets to like the handles on your front door.
Color grout.
Like the color grout you want in your shower, like things that I'm like, oh my gosh, I wouldn't even think to pick. Like know what I even want for this. So the Envision kind of makes that really easy to make those kind of big selections. And then once you go into the home creation studio, the designers are really great about picking things that are kind of catering to your style based on like a survey that they give you a couple weeks beforehand. So I feel like as long as you do your homework beforehand, it makes it super easy to make all of those big choices. So it was definitely overwhelming when we started, but we just kind of sat down and took the time and figured out all the things that we wanted to kind of make our dream house, I guess, come to life. So,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I'm taking at this point that you would obviously recommend this process if anyone who was thinking about building. This is probably the way to go.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, my friends. And as I said at the beginning of the podcast, this is a bit of a process. We're going to be following you through the entire process. This is just the first step in your journey to land in this home. So I'll leave it with this, Danny. Where are we in the process? And what are the next steps that you guys are going to be sharing with us as you're going through this with Eastbrook Homes?
Sure. Next thing on the list would be the pre-construction meeting. And then we kind of talk about dates when, pouring the foundation and things like that. But we will take pictures of that and, share it so you guys can follow along.
Cannot wait. Congratulations to you two. This is an amazing season, and I hope you enjoy every minute of both adventures because they're different but exciting in many, many ways.
Yeah.
So happy holidays. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Thank you.
See you soon.
See ya.